And now let's go across to my colleague Mausmi Singh, who's joining us from the Chandigarh Secretariat.
Thank you very much. We are in this very special coverage from Ground Zero, Chandigarh, where all the politics is unfolding. We just had a meeting of the cabinet and then a presser by the Punjab CM. Now, in this entire politics that is peaking in Punjab, Navjot Singh Sidhu has broken his silence. He's put out a tweet, a social media message talking about his own travels. He said that it was never about his own personal ambitions, not his own personal agenda. It was more an issue-based fight, and he's also said he'll continue fighting. Here's more.
लड़ाई मुद्दों दी है, मसलियां दी है और पंजाब पक्षी एक एजेंडे दी है। आज तक किसी नाल कोई निजी किड़ नहीं रही, ना ही मैं निजी लड़ाइयां लड़ियां। दागी लीडरां ते दागी अफसरां दा सिस्टम तां भन्निया सी, दोबारा उन्हां नूं लिया के उही सिस्टम खड़ा नहीं किया जा सकता। मैं इहदा विरोध करदा।
20 hours after bowling the resignation googly, Navjot Singh Sidhu has broken his silence on exactly why he chose to call it quits as Punjab Congress chief.
उसूलों पे आँच आए तो टकराना जरूरी है और जिंदा हो तो जिंदा नजर आना जरूरी है।
In an all-out rant against the Congress, Sidhu said he would always fight for haq and sach, for rights and for the truth.
ये मेरा फर्ज सी, मेरा धर्म सी। ये मेरे प्यो ने एक कोई गल दसी है कि जदों किते भी द्वंद होवे सच दी राह ते तुर ते मॉरल अथॉरिटी रख के नैतिकता दे नाल कोई समझौता नहीं, ताही आवाज दे विच फल आए।
Sidhu indicated that the reason for his resignation was corrupt and tainted officials back at the helm under CM Channi.
दागी लीडरां ते दागी अफसरां दा सिस्टम तां भन्निया सी, दोबारा उन्हां नूं लिया के उही सिस्टम खड़ा नहीं किया जा सकता। मैं इहदा विरोध करदा।
So has Sidhu resigned because of Chief Minister Channi? The former Punjab Congress chief claims he has no bones to pick with anyone.
मेरी आज तक किसी नाल कोई निजी किड़ नहीं रही, ना ही मैं निजी लड़ाइयां लड़ियां।
Sidhu taking a moral high ground may have made things difficult. Whatever dividends they were looking at in the face of Charanjit Singh Channi as a Dalit face, that seems to be very short-lived.
The Congress High Command has reportedly made it clear that they will not reach out to Sidhu. The Gandhis, who've accommodated every tantrum so far from Sidhu, have not dialed him so far. Party President Sonia Gandhi has reportedly not even received Sidhu's resignation. It was directly posted on social media. So what next for Sidhu? He's still a part of Congress, but will he exit the party next? For now, Sidhu seems to be rallying his aides. Since his resignation, several MLAs and ministers have formed a beeline at Sidhu's Patiala residence, some even trying to convince him to withdraw his resignation.
What is significant is that he is rallying support right here at his Patiala residence. But what is important is whether there will be another googly for the party high command around the corner, or whether Congress is going to be clean bowled. Why another move? For now, Congress wants to avoid a controversy and settle things down ahead of elections, which are just a couple of months away. With camera person Nasir, this is Kamaljit Sandhu in Patiala for India Today.
You were watching that report by our colleague Kamaljit Sandhu. Heavy downpour predicted in Chandigarh, but it's been a bad political weather for the Congress party. In the midst of Sidhu's resignation, Captain Amrinder Singh moved to Delhi. It set tongues wagging because in the political circles in the state, Captain already had stated that he was feeling humiliated. All eyes are on Captain, whether what political move will he make next. There is a buzz that he could meet BJP leaders. even as Captain has said that his visit is very personal. It's about shifting his bag and baggage from Kapurthala House and meeting a few family friends. Watch this report.
Captain Amrinder Singh, who was humiliated and forced to quit the post of Punjab Chief Minister, is now on a mission. For the first time after he resigned on September 18th, Captain has arrived in Delhi. His sudden visit comes against the backdrop of his bête noire Navjot Singh Sidhu's resignation as the Punjab Congress chief.
मैंने कहा था आदमी अनस्टेबल है और उसने आप ही दिखा दिया उसने आज रेजिग्नेशन कर दिया.
Amrinder's visit to the capital has set the tongues wagging in the corridors of power. India Today has learnt that MLAs close to Amrinder have urged the former CM to seek floor test. This after some Punjab Congress leaders holding key positions resigned, taking Sidhu's cue. Amrinder is said to be keeping a close watch on the political developments in Punjab. His visit to Delhi has only fanned speculations. Not very long ago, Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij had openly invited Captain to join the BJP.
राष्ट्रवादी अमरिंदर सिंह जो कांग्रेस की इस गंदी साजिश में बाधा थे, उनका राजनीतिक तौर पर कत्ल कर दिया गया. कांग्रेस के ये जो गेम प्लान है, इसको फेल करने के लिए ना केवल अमरिंदर सिंह को, सभी ताकतों को इकट्ठा होकर इनको धाराशायी करना चाहिए.
Anil Vij's remarks came after a sulking Captain had made his intentions clear. For the time being, Captain is keeping his cards close to his chest. Though he told India Today, he is keeping his options open.
I will take into account all my supporters, whether they are in the parliament or in the assembly or outside in politics, and then I will make up my mind. I never said which party I will be in.
The Congress is hoping all will be well.
कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह साडे मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं. चलो मुख्यमंत्री हटन तो बाद जे हुण वो गए हैं तो चंगी गल है, कोई ना कोई गल करके जाएंगे. पंजाब दे हित दी करना.
With Navjot Singh Sidhu quitting as Punjab chief, the Congress now has to handle two fronts. It has to ensure both Sidhu and Amrinder fall in line fast.
So outside the civil secretariat, there is a calm prevailing after the morning rush. It is the lull. Is it the lull before the storm? That's anybody's guess. But coming back to Navjot Singh Sidhu, he enjoyed tremendous clout and backing of the Gandhis after he was appointed the PCC chief, even after he continued to rain blows at Captain Amrinder Singh. Now the Gandhis are in a fix. Will they continue to placate Sidhu, or will Sidhu run into trouble with the Gandhis? That remains to be seen. Watch this report.
Even when Navjot Singh Sidhu launched the fiercest of attacks on Captain Amrinder Singh, he was sure of one thing: the support of the Gandhis, especially Rahul and Priyanka. As the crisis peaked after June this year, Sidhu was granted an audience with both MP Rahul Gandhi and Party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. But the siblings did not give time to Amrinder, who waited for the call in vain, camped in the national capital. Of the two Gandhis, Priyanka played the role of crisis manager. It is widely believed it was Priyanka's stamp of approval that clinched Punjab Congress President post for Sidhu. The appointment as state party chief evidently did not quench Sidhu's thirst for more. He continued targeting Amrinder Singh, getting his MLAs to write to the party seeking a change in leadership. Sidhu went all guns out against his own party's government over issues like power cuts and drug menace.
ਭਾਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਟੈਰਿਫ ਆਰਡਰ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਕਰੋ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਅਧੀਨ ਫੇਅਰ ਔਰ ਜਸਟ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਖਰੀਦੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹ ਐਗਜ਼ੋਰਬਿਟੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ PPA ਸਾਈਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਉਹ ਨਲ ਐਂਡ ਵੋਇਡ करार दिते जान।
All the while, no one in the party's top brass came to Amrinder's help. They neither asked Sidhu to tone down his attacks, nor asked him to have a dialogue with Amrinder. The writing on the wall was clear. The MLAs rallied behind Sidhu. Amrinder was forced to quit the chief ministerial post.
मैं अपने आप को मैं समझता हूँ कि मेरे ऊपर कोई एलिमेंट ऑफ डाउट है कि मैं चला नहीं सका या कोई बात हुई, पर आई फील ह्यूमिलिएटेड कि जिस तरीके से ये बात हुई है।
Once Amrinder stepped down, Sidhu pushed for the chief ministerial post. This time, he wasn't lucky enough. The Congress High Command picked Charanjit Singh Channi as the Chief Minister ahead of Sidhu. The former cricketer also couldn't have his say in ministry allocation. Sidhu has once again raised the stakes by submitting his resignation to Sonia Gandhi. Will the Gandhis indulge him further and thrash out a truce? Given their experience with Sidhu, this time the first family of Congress will be wary. Bureau Report, India Today.
The man in the eye of the storm, the king of unpredictability, the king of comedy, the king of commentary. Sidhu has often made headlines all the time for the wrong reasons. This time round again, he ran from a comedy show straight away into the Congress. Now, most have been left wondering who the joke was really on. Well, we've run out of time. That's all in this special coverage from Chandigarh. I hope you enjoyed this show. It's about to rain. We'll take some cover and we'll have to wait and watch whether the Congress party is able to get some respite from this continued self-bashing. Thank you for watching. Continue watching India Today for news and updates.